Resources with Marie. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. Also hit the notification bell, as well as hit a thumbs up if you guys enjoy the work from home opportunities that we are bringing to you on a daily basis. To all my new subscribers, welcome. To all my pre-existing subscribers, thank you for being a part of the community. My oldies but goodies, as I like to call them. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to everyone that has left a comment in the comment section updating us about the different jobs that they have possibly tried to fill out for, or maybe they know details about that job and they're letting us know in the comment section down below different things about it. So thank you so much. Or different updates, I should say. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Today we're going to speak about this job opportunity. It's from the company Shiseido. I think I'm saying it right. Hopefully I'm saying it right. It's a training executive. It's a minute, guys, to show you my principal shop. It's on Etsy. You can purchase here your budgeting principles. We have here savings trackers. We also have cash envelopes. Just helps you manage a little better your money to be able to save for whatever big goals that you have coming up, whether it be a house, a car, renovations, emergency funds. Very important to have an emergency fund, guys. Very, very important. It has gotten me through 3 years. No, it has gotten me through a year and a half of not working, having a health condition, having a child, and it has just saved me to have that emergency fund. It is coming low now, but I am working on trying to balance out things to make it work for a couple more months while I recover from knee surgery. But this is also an alternative, guys, to make a little extra money. You can open your printable shop, or you can open a currently right now we have 65 printables uploaded, so you can just search through them, you buy them, it downloads to your computer, you print them out at home as many times as you want. So I want to let you guys know that right now I have a link down below, which some people have actually used, so thank you so much. You actually get 40 free listings. I wish I would have had a link like this when I started. When I started, I actually had to pay for my to have my listings up, which is 20 cents per listing. I believe they're up for like 4 months, 3 to 4 months, anywhere between 3 to 4 months. So I wish I would have had I would have had a link to use, right? But I'm giving you guys a link down below. You just hit the link and you can start uploading your listings. You get 40 free, so that means you can upload 40 items for free. That way you test the waters and see if you want this as a side hustle, as your full-time job. You can make t-shirts, you can make jewelry, you can make woodwork. I know some of you decorate like flower pots. Some of you do nice rock painting. Anything like that you can actually upload. And just remember to promote your shop, guys. So anyone that wants to have 40 free listings, 40 items listed for free to open your shop and test out the waters 3 to 4 months. If after 3 to 4 months you decide that's not your thing, it's not giving you the sale income that you want, all you have to do is close, and that's it. You get charged nothing. So guys, take advantage of the link down below. Located in New York, New York, and we will tell you guys a little bit about what the job is, what the responsibilities are, and I believe it tells us that it's remote, so I will show you guys in the bottom section where it says remote. Job summary, it just stayed in they forgot the rest. The trading executive that, oh Lord, someone made a blooper there, huh? Is responsible for implementation and management of the corporate training, special events, and retail sales development activities for Shiseido. And I have no idea how to pronounce that brand, and I'm not going to butcher it, in the San Francisco metro market. Responsible for the professional development of beauty consultants, counter managers, SIS owners, and field teams. Bilingual English, Cantonese, Okay. So those are the two languages they want you to know. Possibly not necessarily, because maybe if you have good credentials, they'll opt out on this. Primary duties and responsibilities: implementation of all corporate training programs, curriculums, and selling strategies to drive sales and achieve territory and regional sales goal, achieve individual sales goal, lead an executive basic, seasonal, and virtual and in-store brand training programs, cultivate brand knowledge, product demonstration, clienteling, and selling skills in line. Assign BC, stores owner, and field, lead and support training programs together with the STE to support BC remote marketing. Visit stores within territory based on call cycle visit matrix. Increase sales and service performance in the retail environment during the store visit. Check the knowledge retention coach BC to strengthen skills and reinforce focuses and objectives. Coach BC and fragrance specialists in the successful execution of marketing programs and promotions. Coach behaviors that represent the brand image and philosophy. Provides feedback on call cycles visits to identify opportunities to develop programs for business needs. Master facial massage techniques. Develop and train BC to achieve certifications of Shiseido and that brand, y'all. If you know the name, kudos to you. Facial massage. Execute seasonal new product and brand training for region. Execute seasonal training programs to prepare sales and training executives to support their markets. Partner with STE to decimate training directives to all covered account stores within the region. Collaborate with NYO office teams, events, training, and education marketing to execute special events and retail exclusive events. Provide field insight and feedback on field execution of training programs, marketing programs, and events. Identify POS opportunities and partners with training education to develop programs to support business needs. Act as brand ambassador in sharing culture, values, and heritage of each brand portfolio. Assist field teams in the recruiting, hiring, and interviewing process of new BC training new BCs. Attend national training conference twice a year. Whew, that's a lot. Working relationship key stakeholders, global education, wholesale retail, executive, global U.S. marketing, field partners, financial accountabilities. Accountable for achieving company objectives relating to retail sale plan, TE budget, freelance budget. Qualifications. Lord Jesus. Minimum of 5 years of prestige skincare and makeup experience. Demonstrate ability to drive sales through fostering relationship and providing exceptional customer service. Ability to work collaboratively and build positive, effective business partnerships. Ability to interact with all levels of management in a fast-paced, high-growth, changing environment. Ability to work independently to prioritize and achieve results. Must have outstanding interpersonal and communication skills, both verbal, written, in Cantonese and English. Effective planning, organizational, and time management skills. Proficient Microsoft Office skills. Ability to lift, push, and pull up to 50 pounds. Able to stand for up to 8 hours. Ability to travel. Ability to travel up to 75% of the time. Must have driver's license and reliable transportation. Ability to work flexible schedule hours, weekends, evenings, and holidays. Must be able to perform essential functions with or without in accommodation with positioning and direct threat to health and safety to self or others. So if you guys have health issues, this isn't going to be for you. If you're a caretaker, this isn't going to be for you. If you have children, this isn't going to be for you. This is a traveling 75% of the time. That's a lot. Wow. The company reserves the right to alter, change, abolish, and even combine jobs depending upon changing conditions. Woo. Below is a list of working principles designed as Shiseido's America succeed as the company continues to evolve and innovate. Think big, adapt to big picture perspective, take risk, embrace risk, practice hands-on, consider frontline realities when making decisions, collaborate, leverage the diverse capabilities of colleagues, be open, be transparent, create environment, act with integrity, be always sincere, humble, be accountable, committed to the goals, applaud success. Here it says, as you guys saw, it says remote, so maybe that's partial. That's a little pay for everything they're asking for. Whew. 84,841 or 134,195 a year. I just think it's a lot now. I know some young people, even people in their 20s and 30s, don't have children and love to travel. They just love to travel. So this might be one of those opportunities for people that love to travel as well as makeup artists, because around here it says something about 5 years prestige skincare makeup experience. So for those makeup artists, this could be a good job opportunity for you. Remember, you'll be giving training, and you'll help out in HR, because you have to help out in recruiting, hiring, and interviewing process. I just think this is a bucket full of things you need to be able to do that training executive. I didn't think it was this much, but I mean, it doesn't tell us anything about, like, it does say it's remote, but it doesn't tell us anything about it giving us equipment or anything. But then again, you're in charge of giving training to the new people that are coming in, as well as possibly speaking about all the setups and about the company and all the rules and regulations and all of that go into, right, the brand itself, and whatever job you'll have to do within that area, which I'm assuming it has to do a lot with makeup and like putting on the makeup and stuff. You know how you go into certain stores and they have to put on makeup or show the makeup itself, and you have to use their brand, so you have to really represent and market out their brand. Good luck to anyone that feels this. I'm just bringing it to you. Don't mean you have to apply. I'm just bringing it to you. Yes, if you're a makeup artist, could be good if you don't have any children and not a lot of responsibilities like that. And of course, you have to make an account to be able to fill out. Make sure you have your portfolio ready, because was it this one that spoke about the portfolio? Make sure you have a portfolio ready if you're a makeup artist. Have your resume on hand. Have your cover letter on hand. And as usual, this will take some time for you to fill out. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. We do come out with different job opportunities. If you want to follow us on TikTok at Resources with Marie, on Instagram at Resources with Marie, and I will leave the Facebook group down below. So thank you so much for watching and for being a part of the community, guys. Thank you in advance to everyone that supports us. We've been trying now for 3 years to have 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for being a part of the community and for sticking with me. I will catch you guys in our next video.